It's hard when you have to work and work out. It's not easy. Hi babes. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Man, your girl is so tired, you guys. Man, I worked out twice yesterday, and I worked out yesterday morning early. I ran 50 minutes and I do abs as usual, and then yesterday night I felt like I needed to do some dumbbells, so I did some weights last night, and man, I was so tired. I didn't finish working out until 10 p.m. last night. I was super tired, and I just went to bed. And this morning, man, my body was feeling it, and I just slept in. No, Tyler, don't do that. I just slept in and I woke up really late, had late breakfast. I rather have late breakfast than missing my breakfast. So I had late breakfast this morning. Give Tyler his fruits and his bottle as usual, and it's a really beautiful day outside, so he's out there playing. He's outside playing with his ball and his tent and watching TV from outside. He's something else. I was doing some laundry, so he just decided to join me outside, and he doesn't want to come back in just yet. So he's just out there enjoying the weather. It's so beautiful outside today. I might even take him for a walk. But can you tell how tired I am? Baby's off to work as usual, and because I sleep in this morning, so I didn't work out, but I'll definitely get my workout in this afternoon. I'll run this afternoon, and I'll do some abs. And babe also told me that he's going to run when he gets home. I'm so proud of him that he has been working out this week, like every other day when he gets home. He run and he does his abs, and when he's at work he messaged me telling me how much his abs is hurting him, so I always mess around with him and tell him that he's a chicken. So I'm so proud of him that he's working out. But you know, it's hard when you have to work and work out. It's not easy. He can't do it the way I'm doing it. In terms of, I can work out 2 times a day. Like when I want to do my dumbbells, I can run in the morning, then do the dumbbells in the evening. And if I'm too tired in the morning, I can easily sleep in a little bit, because Tyler will allow me to. All I need to do is just put Tyler in front of the TV, and he'll just sit there and watch his TV for like an hour if I want to go back to nap a little bit. But yeah, that's what's up right now. I have so many things to get done today around the house. I have some editing to do, so I'm going to get that done. I have some French lessons to do. I haven't done any French lessons this week, so I need to get that in today. Yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever time of the day it is that you guys are watching this. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys work out. Hope you guys stay encouraged. Hope you guys stay motivated. Yes, my love. Ball. Hope you guys stay motivated and keep those workouts going, even if you fall off track. You guys, don't be discouraged. Just pick up right where you left off and continue. And like I was telling my followers on Instagram, that There are some days when I just don't feel like getting up. There are some days when I just don't feel like working out. I'm just lounging around the house. There are some days when I just don't feel like doing anything at all. But once I just lounge around, get my clothes on, get my shoes on, and step on the treadmill, you might be surprised to see that it's the best workout you probably have of the entire week. And that's what I had to do. Just go through the motions, just get it done, regardless of if you don't feel like doing it. Just do it anyways, and trust me, your result will come with your consistency. Every single bit counts. It doesn't really matter how small it is. Just do something. My body speaks for itself. It's a perfect example of consistency. And you know, the funniest thing is, I went shopping recently and I bought size 6 pants, and I put on the size 6 pants this weekend and it can't fit, which means that I'm now a size 2. I can't believe that just a few months ago I was a size 8 and now I'm a size 2. With consistency and eating better, it's the best thing I've ever done. It's hard work. My body that I have now, it's not a given, it's earned. It's hard work. The amount of work that I put into this, the amount of different methods that I've tried just to see what works. That's the other thing. You have to do what works for you. Whatever works for you, that's what you're gonna have to go with. If you can't do the no carb diet, try another method, try another diet. If you can't do the raw vegetables, try them steam. If you can't do them steam, try them bake. Try something. Just try anything that works for you. That is if you really want it that bad. If you're not hungry enough to want to achieve what you really want, then it won't come. You have to believe, you have to stay consistent, you have to work hard, and your results will come. Well, enough of my preaching. I am going to look after my little guy because it is almost lunchtime for him. It is now 11:40 and normally you have lunch at 12, so it's almost lunchtime for him. And then in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, he's going to take a nap, so that will be good. You want to say hi, my love? Say hello. Can you say hello, Tyler? You want to say hello? Say hi. Yeah. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. You guys, my baby is full of so much energy. Tyler have a habit of, whenever I'm making our bed in our room, he would come in the room and he would jump on the bed and he would roll all over the place. And I always say to him, baby, stop doing that, you're gonna get hurt. Yesterday he was doing the same thing. He was on the opposite side of me on the bed, and one jump and Tyler jumped directly onto the floor on his head. You guys, I lost it. Literally, I lost it. I was so out of breath. I had to gasp and I couldn't scream because I didn't want to scare him. But then I just slowly pick him up and I checked to see that everything was okay. I didn't see anything. And then I just give him a bath right away and put him to take a nap because he was crying. Put him to take a nap, and when he woke up from his nap, he was calling me. He was like, mama, mama, as usual. So when I went to get him, there was a big red bump in Tyler's forehead, in the middle of his forehead. But thank God, this morning it is all gone. He's back to his old self. But kids will be kids, boys will be boys, and he have a lot more hurt to get. Mommy can't always protect him, so things like this will happen. But he just have to be more careful. We're just gonna have to be more careful next time. It can be prevented. But you know, when you see them having fun sometimes, you just wanna let them be, you know what I mean? All right, you guys. So I'm gonna look after my baby, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Come. Come. All right, finish now. Come. Oh. Come. Oh my gosh. Tyler, let's go. You're having fun. I love you. Did you have a good nap? I love you. Did you have a good nap? There's 50 minutes run done. Feeling accomplished. I won't hang on with you guys too long because I'll be jumping straight into the abs while my body's still pumped, while I'm still feeling the energy, while I'm still feeling the vibes to continue going. So come with me, let's go abs. Baby's home and getting his workout in. I'm so proud of him, so proud of you, honey. 2 days out of the week now he came home and got his workout in. I'm so proud of you. Go chicken. I'm so proud of him, you guys. You wouldn't even understand. So I'm gonna get myself fresh, get Tyler ready for bed in about 30 minutes while babe gets his workout done, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
And Papa wants to do abs. Can't do abs.
Babe trying to do abs and Tyler's not letting him. Tyler's not giving him a chance. Tyler, what did you do to the couch, to the seats over there? Look at it. Tyler! Tyler, what are you doing? Papa wants to work. Why are you showing them the fork and nothing is on the fork?
Nice dinner.
He's having dinner, you guys. You guys, it's the end of the night and Tyler is off to sleep. And I'm fresh and I'm tired. I am tired. I had a long day, but it's all worth it. And babe have his workout. I'm super proud of him. Yeah, so we're just going to end the vlog and rest up for the rest of the night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, join the family, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.